Nali njagala nnyo okulingiza abakazzi. Abawala.
John Blaq, what's your stage name, real name, status, and religion?
Yeah, I'm Catholic by religion. I'm male. Yeah, my real names, I'm called Kasada John, the boy from Ginger, aka John Blaq. Yeah.
What's your status?
What do you mean? I'm single. You know, I'm seeing and searching. You know what it is. Yeah.
Okay. John Blaq, what school did you go to? Schools from Nasser?
My first school was Rwanda Primary School. It's in Jinja, Mafubira sub-county. After Rwanda Primary School, I joined Hassan Trabi Primary School from P5 to P7. Then I joined Hassan Trabi Secondary School. Yeah, that's where I ended. Yeah.
Okay, how did you come to the music industry?
In 2019, but since I was still a kid, I loved singing. I used to sing, but real music business, I joined the industry in 2019. Yes.
Who is John Blaq when you were growing up? How were you home and around the village?
Yeah, I was a humble boy, as you see me. Nothing changed. Yeah, a God-fearing person. Yeah, and I really loved my talent of singing. As I told you, I started singing when I was still a kid. I used to listen to Jose Chameleon's music, Bebe Cool, Bobby Wine. Yeah, I really loved music since my childhood. Yeah.
Then around the village, how was your behavior with fellow kids?
I used to stay with my granny, so she couldn't allow me to go and play with other kids, you know. I used to be with her, and she never wanted, like, you know, in the village, the favorite sport for kids is football. I really loved football, but I could only play it when I was at school. But when I was at home, my granny wouldn't allow me to go and play with other kids. Yeah.
How do you think this affected you? Do you think it helped you?
It really helped me because the football I was playing at school was enough for a kid. If I would go beyond that, I was just going to get spoiled because many kids would turn into some other bad characters, you know, stealing people's mangoes, sugar canes, fighting. So it really helped me. It molded me. Yeah.
When you look back when you were young,
yeah.
What did you do? You think the behavior that you used to do, you can't forget?
Nali njagala nnyo okulingiza abakazzi. Abawala. Katuteekayo bumira. Yeah, but I apologize to God. Okay, maybe I was just a kid. I really wanted to see what was going on there. Yeah.
Okay, John. When did you leave Ginger coming to Kampala?
I left Ginger in I think it was 2016. No, it wasn't 2016. It was 2007 when Obama was about to become the president of United States. That's the time I came in Kampala, and I stayed at my auntie's place in Boyogerere. Yeah.
So how did Kampala treat you since you were staying in Ginger for some time?
Yeah, it sharpened me. Kubana Jandi Fala, but the friends I met, the schools I went to, because in Ginger I was among the top 10 out of 150 or 200. But my first time in Kampala, nalimbuzayo mokusemba. Nalimbuzayo mokusemba. So okay, Kampala just yan sharpening obongo. Second, I thank my auntie for allowing me to stay with her because it really helped me. Maybe if I was still in Ginger, I wouldn't have been where I am right now. Yeah, Kampala is a land of opportunities. When you are in Kampala, anything is possible. Yeah.
Who inspired you to enter the music industry?
I really used to listen to different genre of music, to different artists, but particularly I used to listen to good life music. Teka Tufikwe yayingirawo, Fikfa Maker really inspired me because he was my age mate. So when I saw some some artist of my age shining and making it to the world. It really inspired me. It gave me energy. Yeah.
Which song brought you on the scene, and what changes did it make in your life?
It was Sweet Love. Big up to Vinka. It was Sweet Love. When she gave me that collabo, I never went back. Yeah, abantu balutegeera. Then after Sweet Love, that's when I dropped to Kwatagane. Big up to Vinka. She really helped me. Vinka, Daddy Andre, they have really helped me in this career. Yeah.
Besides music, let's talk about personal life. Like, who is John Blaq? If you're not in music, you're not on stage, you're not in studio. Who is John Blaq?
Yeah, if I'm not doing all that, sometimes I'm playing football with my friends. I love football. Second, I love playing video games, and I love talking to God. So during these weekdays, I get time and I go to church and I pray. Yeah.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know.
Which favorite dish do you know?
I can cook rice and meat. Yeah, all kinds of food I can. This normal food, our local food, I can cook it very well. Yes.
If you were not a musician, you,
yeah,
what would you want to be? If not, what your parents want you to be?
Abazadde bange tebangamba kye baali baagala mbeere. All they wanted was me to have a bright future, was me to have good education, though they didn't afford it, but they really tried so hard so that I could make it up there. But if I wasn't a musician, I think I would be a dealer. I really used to deal a lot. Nayagalanga nnyo zi deal. Nga njagala nnyo ebikutukirawo kagwirawo kino, njagala kino mataka biki, anything. So if I wasn't a musician, I think I would be a good dealer. Yeah. Yes.
If it's not music, what else do you do?
I spend time with my daughter. I have a baby girl, so sometimes I'm always with her, just spending time with her.
Okay, like any additional job on music? Any
additional job? Not really, but I'm looking at real estate. So I'm collecting some money. You know, we are just to come out COVID year, we campaign. And this little man I've been putting it back in music. But inshallah, if all goes well, I really want to do real estate. I want to invest my money in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is John Blaq's plans getting away from city?
Right now, you know, women require time, and as I'm talking right now, I'm still focusing on my music. Music is like a woman; it requires time, it requires attention. So right now, at my age, I'm focusing a lot on my music. But maybe in 10 years from now or 8 years, I really want to get someone I can be with. Yeah.
Okay. What's your take on the music industry?
The music industry, our music industry is growing. Yeah, it's not doing bad. In terms of production, I see people are doing good production, good videos are being shot. The promotion, we just need to keep on doing what we're doing, and we need to invest in our craft so that we can cross borders. But so far so good. Yeah.
How do you see it's like the ladies are taking over the music industry like they are lifting it high more than men. How do you see that?
I don't think it's a bad thing as long as we are all Ugandans pushing Ugandan flag to the world. Yeah. Yes.
So what's your take on Shiba Sindh battle?
I like it. It's healthy. They are on the same stage, so I can't wait to be there. No singa webanagamba. The only thing I'm against is an artist putting up a show and then another artist puts up the show on the same date. That's quite confusing. But if these guys are on the same stage, I really love it. It's healthy.
Which side?
Yeah, both sides. I'll be there. I'm just going to feel the vibe. I'm just going to enjoy the show because I'm sure it's gonna be dope. Yeah.
Lately, which music are you having? Do you have any music in the store?
Yeah, I have a song. I collab with Lydia Jasmine, and then I have another new project. The latest one is called Just for Just. Just released it. Yeah, I'm pushing that one, and I'm working on my album. Actually, it's done, so before this year ends, I'll be dropping the album. Yeah.
If you to get married to a Ugandan music artist, who would you get married to?
No, I wouldn't want to get married to my fellow artist.
Why?
Because we are always busy. We sing different people. We sing different women. They are singing different men. So I would be jealous all the time. At least I would want to get someone who is not in my industry or in my business. Yeah.
Well, mention any 5 Ugandan artists you feel are good at the moment.
At the moment, Azawi is doing good. Zafarani is doing good. Virota is doing good. Raja is doing good. And Fikfa Maker is doing good. Yeah.
Are there now 5 songs from Uganda you feel are trending at the moment?
Chow Chow, Fikfa Maker. 10 over 10 is doing good. Chekecha, Karokasita is really doing well. Nakawere for Zafarani, I like it, it's doing good. And then Tosobola for Shiba is also doing good. Yeah.
Okay, from your songs, give us 5 songs of yours you feel that have kept you on top.
Yeah, Follow has played a very big part. Do That will always be my biggest hit because it has crossed countries, it's doing well abroad there. We have everybody. It's my introduction on the stage. Hello, it helps me to communicate with the fans. Ebyala Girwa, it's also a nice song. Yeah.
Have you ever been coming on stage and you feel you like, do you have a stage phobia when stepping on stage?
Yeah, whenever I'm about to step on the stage, I feel nervous. But I don't know. But I think now I'm used to it. I always feel nervous, but the moment I step on the stage like this, it disappears. I'm sober all the time, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever been on stage and you feel, or have you ever been irritated on stage, or anything bad has ever happened on stage?
The only bad experience I get is when I'm performing for people and they're not feeling the vibe. They're just sitting, they're just looking at you like this. I always want a crazy crowd. Even if they're pulling me, I have no problem. Even if they're throwing stuff at me, as long as that's the vibe doing to them, I have no problem. It's rather than looking at people just looking at me like this. I love crazy vibes. Yeah.
Have you visited Ginger lately, and how are your village mates, the people you grew up with, are taking?
Yeah, some of them are still there. Some of them, of course, they migrated to Kampala looking for greener pasture. Yeah, but whenever I go back home, I feel good because that's where I come from. That's where my roots are. And I feel so blessed. Yeah.
Thank you.
You must.